This was a promotional item I received. You can see it's got a very basic model number. It's a webcam, and apparently that is the UPC code for it. The design kind of looks like a traditional camera. You can see that it has a camera button here you can push. This appears to be an LED light. And this, oh, it actually turns. It says Web PC Digital Camera. It looks like there's a hole there, possibly for the microphone. Again, you can see it's webcam, digital webcam, made in China. There is a dial back here. I wonder if that's for the microphone level adjustment. See the bottom there. And it does appear to be permanently attached to this gooseneck, which is flexible so that you could bend it and position the camera in any position that you want. It says Hamilton Buell at the bottom there. It does look like you can unscrew the base here. And that looks like it could be a 3/8 thread. Looks bigger than 1/4 inch. This is a weighted base, so you could set this on your desk. It's not terribly tall though, so you might still be angling the camera upward. If you set it on your desk, you might need to get this on top of some books or something else to get the camera at eye level on your desk. Then you can see the USB-A cable here, the USB-A end. That is the webcam.